Welcome back to the International News Stage here at CES 2015. I'm joined by Rob Taylor of LG. He's the product manager of home entertainment. Morning, Rob.
Morning, Zed. How are you?
Good, thanks. So it's been a busy year for you guys, and I've seen a lot of TVs this week.
It's been a very good show, a very busy show. It's been a great opportunity to really showcase all of the new range of TV and AV and also washing machine and some of the great stuff on the home appliance division. It's also our first time to bring mobile to CES as well. So we've obviously launched our Hero handset G Flex 2 and obviously displayed the G Watch R as well. So overall, there's been some really strong representation from LG this year.
But of all that, the key word this year seems to be OLED.
OLED TV, yes.
Yes, tell me about OLED.
Something we're very, very proud of, very committed to. It's our third generation of OLED TV now. We're really, really proud to be expanding the lineup. That's kind of our key message. With OLED TV, we have a really, really strong product leadership in actually being the only brand to develop and bring to market OLED TV. So for us, we started off our OLED journey 3 years ago with a 55-inch curved TV. We're now topping that up with 4K resolution, making screen sizes in 55, 65, 77. Also, different form factors being curved and flat and wall-mountable, etc., all housed within our new smart WebOS 2.0 platform as well. So overall, really committed, really excited, and really proud to be showing some really strong product leadership in OLED TV.
So why OLED? Because you guys are the only manufacturers this year and last year to really go big on OLED.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we're very proud of OLED, and we believe OLED is the perfect picture. It does present our consumer and our customer the best way to watch leading content on TV. You know, with our patented and exclusive technology to OLED, and the fact that our company is structured in a way that we own pretty much every vertical element of the supply chain. So whether it's a chemical company, whether it's the PCB computing company and the manufacturing company and the actual construction and design of the TV is all within the LG Electronics family. So we're very proud and we can show strong leadership because we are the only manufacturer and only brand that can pull it all together in one place.
Well, OLED is notoriously difficult to manufacture, and the fact that you guys are doing it, does this mean you've managed to crack OLED, or are you simply willing to accept all the losses?
No, definitely. I mean, you wouldn't see, a key thing for OLED 4K this year is the fact that we've expanded our lineup. So, as I mentioned, 3 years ago, we were one screen size with one TV. Now we're 3 series with over 10 different screen sizes available. So for us, we believe that OLED is achievable, hence why we've invested over $1.3 billion into actually creating a really strong foundation for OLED manufacturing. In our press conference earlier this week, we announced a further $600 million into the production side of OLED as well. So we'll be really, really ramping up OLED production, and our yield rates and everything that's associated with the manufacturing of OLED is very strong, and that's why we're very excited to bring to market a widest array of OLED TVs possible.
One thing I noticed when walking around the LG stand earlier was not all your TVs are curved this year.
Yeah, not all of them are curved. I mean, it's a great thing to be able to offer our customers choice in the fact that you can have a TV both curved and flat. Both have their reasons for one being good, another one being good. We believe in choice. We don't believe in a curved TV is better than a flat TV or a flat TV is better than a curved TV. For us, what we believe in is the best picture possible, and that actually means OLED TV. So we're very proud to be bringing OLED TV in curved and flat this year.
And of course, you've got your flexible unit.
Flexible, exactly.
That's crazy.
I mean, what is it? Is it curved or is it flat? Is it, it's one of these questions that we get asked is, how many the TVs are curved, how many are flat? And I always end up saying 0.5 because I don't know if it's curved or if it's flat because it is flexible. So it's a 77-inch 4K OLED panel, which is electronically charged to the point where the TV will flex from a flat state to a full curved state. So it's a really exciting, innovative product from us as well.
Is this something that you're going to kind of concentrate on in the future, or is this just a crazy experiment?
No, I'd say it's something in between. It's a great opportunity for LG to showcase the innovation and our ability to produce OLED, not only in the panel side, but also in the form factor side. And it's a great opportunity to really just say to the world, look, this is a new way to enjoy OLED TV. So whether it's curved, whether it's flat, it's all part of the experience.
And of course, it's not all about OLED. You guys have a strong lineup of 4K as well, haven't you?
Yes. I mean, OLED is, for us, the pinnacle of TV. It is the best thing that we offer. It's the best thing we believe in the marketplace in terms of TV. However, understanding that 4K is still a big part of our range. As I mentioned before, all of the OLEDs this year will carry 4K resolution. But within the LED space, we still have a massive representation of 4K. So over 60% of our lineup is going to be 4K this year. And within LED, a lot of our lineup from premium all the way down to mid-range will all be Ultra HD 4K as well. So we're doing some pretty cool things within Ultra HD, and one of them is what we do with the LED panel technology itself, which is create, in our high-end models, something called Color Prime. So within Color Prime, we're talking about color-enhanced LED. So obviously, if you want the brightest, most vibrant, the most accurate, the most fastest moving and rich detailed colors, that's for OLED. But there are some technical limitations with LED. However, again, for LG to showcase some real strong product leadership and some real leadership in manufacturing and design, on our high-end LED, we've introduced this Color Prime concept.
Talk to me about the quantum dot TVs and your WCG TVs.
So quantum dot and WCG are actually the technologies that fall within our Color Prime series. So as I mentioned, Color Prime is all about creating our high-end LED models which are enhanced color. Within that, we basically power it two ways. We have models which are Color Prime featuring quantum dot, and we have models that are Color Prime featuring WCG. Our quantum dot technology is really there to increase the brightness and vividness and vibrancy of the colors in our LEDs. And the WCG TVs there to really offer a wider array of choice of color, a wider color gamut, and a wider color palette, so the colors are a lot more accurate as well and a lot warmer. So overall, within high-end LED, Color Prime options are really there to offer our consumers and our customers a great color-enhanced picture.
So you've got OLED, 4K OLED, and quantum dots, WCG. What's next for the future? What's next?
So in the pipeline, we also announced in the press conference HDR, so High Dynamic Range TV, which is a standard that's still being defined. LG are actually leading the way with many other content providers on what the standard should be for HDR. And HDR is something to get really excited about, and we should be talking a lot more about it in the second half of 2015. So you're going to have to stay tuned and find out what's coming, and I'm sure Stuff and What Hi-Fi will be bringing a lot of that to market too.
So moving away from TVs for a moment, what else have you got planned in the world of home entertainment?
Yeah, so we got exciting things. I mean, TV is one part of our business. I mean, the other part of our business is what we do in the audio side. We've seen huge growth in the soundbar market this year. As a result, we've had some really strong products in soundbars, but we've also seen some massive growth in audio as a whole, and particularly multi-room audio. So what we're doing this year is to actually really focus on bringing those two technologies together. And as a result, we've really focused lots and lots of development and increased R&D into our Music Flow series. Our Music Flow series is LG's multi-room speaker, if you like. It's our family of multi-room speakers, which are both dual band, so they are both Wi-Fi and mesh. They incorporate Bluetooth technology, and we focus on a differentiated user experience with some really cool features. So we've expanded our lineup again within Music Flow to include 2 new soundbars. We have our HS9, which we're really proud of. The HS9 soundbar is our flagship soundbar. It's 7.1 channels, it's 700 watts. It has 7 individual amplifiers that are powering each individual channel to create the widest, most deepest sound field possible. And it's all offering our Music Flow experience as well. The other big thing from Music Flow is our H4 speaker this year. So H4 is a portable Music Flow multi-room speaker. So it's the first of its kind for LG. It offers, again, everything that Music Flow can offer, including a new technology where you can literally hover your phone from speaker to speaker, and it will move the content from your first speaker to your second speaker seamlessly. So really, really strong innovation on the audio side of our business too. And you also saw something in the white goods side of the business, including the dual washer, so something that's really, really exciting from the white goods side of the business. And then obviously in the mobile G-Flex, which is pretty cool. It's something that when I get back to the office, I'll be asking the guys for a test or a sample for myself to play with.
With Music Flow, the wireless speaker market is not new, and neither is multi-room speakers. So how are you differentiating yourself?
So it's a very, very good point, because the market is, as I say, very well established, and it's been established with predominantly Bluetooth technology. And within the last 3 years, we've seen some big growth in multi-room and mesh technology. So LG had taken a slightly differentiated approach on it. So we do have the principal speaker device, and we do have the principal Wi-Fi, mesh network technology. But what we're offering is a slightly differentiated user experience by adding Wi-Fi to it. So it's not just a specification, it's there to serve a purpose. And that is to create new features which really make the products easier to use. So as I mentioned before, we have a great new service on our Music Flow products where, say for example, it's called Auto Music Play. If you're walking down the street listening to any of your favorite music on MP3 or through a streaming service in your headphones, as you walk to your front door and your phone naturally connects with your Wi-Fi network, you'll be notified on screen to basically take your music that's playing in your headphones and straight away pair it to any of the speakers in the home. So it could be grouped to all, or just living room speakers, or just kitchen speakers, or one of the two, or two of the two. And it will basically automatically play just as you walk through. So there's no need to really take your headphones off, stop what you're doing, open an application, and then pair, sync, however you want to describe it. It's just an easy way to seamlessly take the music from your ears as you walk to your home, onto your speaker as you walk into your home. So that's just one of the aspects. Obviously, we have something as well, which is Home Chat, which is a technology that goes across many of our different devices at LG. It's part of our convergence strategy. And it's basically a messaging service through Line Messenger, where you can add the speaker to your Line Messenger group as almost like a friend. And through that, you can text or message the speaker to perform various tasks. So you could easily say, play next track, skip, recommend, name the title of the song or the artist of the song, and the speaker will engage accordingly. So it's a really cool new way of basically being able to control your speaker without having to stop what you're doing and doing other things as well. So it's easy to do within a messaging service.
You also mentioned the G Flex 2 smartphone, which I've played with, and it's a bizarre device.
Great, right?
It's a curved phone.
It's a curved
now,
phone.
why would you want a curved phone?
Curved phone. So the guys are really excited about G Flex 2. That's the first thing to say. It's been some big innovation from G Flex 1. We've seen a reduction in the screen size, but an increase in the screen quality. So we're showing full 1080p on the screen now. But the ergonomics of the curve are there to really accentuate the fact that it's there to fit the natural face shape, opposed to being a flat phone which creates distance from the mouth to the head to the mic piece. It's a curved phone which then runs from the mouth to the mic piece. So you're not creating so much distance away and therefore losing some mic range. It's really there to do that. And bearing in mind as well, it's a 1080p screen at 5.5 inches. It's also a quite big display. So if you are watching movies on the move or any video content, you can flip the phone horizontally and you can watch it in a nice curved display as well. So it has some functional performance, aesthetic, and also benefits on the video side.
Oh, I think that's all we have time for today.
Fantastic.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you very much.
Cheers.